Hey guys, David here with Patrick Hyundai, located in Schaumburg, Illinois. I want to go over this all-new 2026 Hyundai KONA SEL Sport. Let's talk about some features. Here's your 2026 Hyundai KONA SEL Sport all-wheel drive with a beautiful ultimate red finish, followed with a black cloth interior. This vehicle comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with the IVT transmission, options of an all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive. With the advanced safety technologies, this car comes with a forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist with lane following assist, a blind spot collision warning, and a safe exit warning. The car comes with heated side mirrors, a smart cruise control, cloth seating surfaces with heated front seats, a wireless phone charger, and the most fan favorite, a Bluelink Plus all-inclusive connected services where you can remote your car from your mobile phone, make payments, and check your vehicle health. Thanks for watching for the quick feature review on a 2026 Hyundai KONA. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us more on our social media platforms and visit us here at Patrick Hyundai, Schaumburg, Illinois.